Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will delve into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since May 23, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -2.59. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -5.76%. This amounts to an average loss of -0.52% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 16.66% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -40.77% to +0.97%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -12.34%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from -27.35% to +60.16% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $2.62 and $5.77. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline: NIO stock price ended at $3.60 on Monday, after losing 0.83%. The NIO stock price fell by 0.83% on the last day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, dropping from $3.63 to $3.60. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.83%, ranging from a day low of $3.60 to a day high of $3.70. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 5.76% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume declined alongside the stock, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares exchanged for approximately $82.58 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 53.31%, or $4.11, below the 52-week high, and 94.63%, or $63.39, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price hit $66.99. NIO recently announced expectations for a year-over-year rise in deliveries for June and the second quarter, driven by fresh model rollouts including the Envo brand. This optimistic outlook is crucial for regaining investor confidence after the company reported a wider-than-expected loss in the first quarter of 2025. Despite an increase in revenues and deliveries, the total revenue surged to 12 billion renminbi, reflecting a strong year-over-year performance, but fell short on the quarter-over-quarter comparison. The company's aggressive expansion into Europe is seen as a key growth agent, particularly with its aim to leverage the success of its Envo brand. However, persistent high research and development costs could hinder profitability in the short term. Major banking institutions have revised their price targets for NIO following the mixed first quarter earnings report, indicating a lack of consensus on the stock's trajectory. Short-term stock performance may remain pressured by execution risks and ongoing losses. Still, if NIO can effectively scale its new models and achieve its delivery targets, it could catalyze a more positive sentiment among investors, potentially driving stock prices upward in the long term. The upcoming months will be crucial as the company seeks to balance growth and profitability amid high operational costs. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated NIO as neutral with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Wells Fargo gave NIO an equal weight rating along with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Macquarie rated NIO as outperform and also provided an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup once again rated NIO as buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 2.27%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The NIO stock currently has a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, leading to a more pessimistic forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $3.89. Conversely, if it falls, the stock will find support from the short-term average at $3.60. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall trend. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that might capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger also suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 9 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.52. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is dependent to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.102 between its high and low, which corresponds to 2.83%. In the last week, the stock displayed a daily average volatility of 5.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 470 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.52. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock and have not established a stop loss. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we expect NIO to open higher by a fraction of a cent, beginning at $3.63. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.